bag in my collection, and I know what you're thinking. Damn, bitch, you got another black bag? Yes, I know, but it's the details for me. What's poppin', YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It is me, Zanny P. If you are new here, welcome. I film all types of content dealing with fashion, beauty, and lifestyle related content. So if you like to watch that type of stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my handbag collection. For those of you that requested this video, I'm sorry that I'm late. I know your girl has been distracted. I just had a lot of shit going on. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off by showing you the bags that I most often wear and choose over my other bags. So here's the first bag. It's this nice, soft, very, very comfortable brown bag. It only has one, what do you call these? I don't know what do you even call these? I don't know. It only has one of these thingies and it's kind of like right in the middle. This bag also has a zipper and it's very spacious. So I can fit a lot of stuff in this bag. Here is this next bag that I also wear often. It's this cute, really tiny bag. It's kind of like an off-brand Louis Vuitton bag. It has like the same color coordinations. Honestly, I purchased this from one of my friends. I added my own little pizzazz to it. It's this keychain that somebody gave to me. I wear this bag when I'm like on the go. And I also dress this bag up as well. Here's the next bag that I normally often wear. I definitely wear this bag when I'm kind of more dressing up and being cute. It is indeed Steve Madden, if you can see. I purchased this from the thrift store in Jacksonville, Florida, I believe. But I really, really like this bag. It's really cute, really tiny. It has this leather texture bottom at the end. It's this pink color on the inside, which is so cute to me. I was like, okay, Steve Madden, I see. Next bag is this black shoulder bag. This is definitely one of my favorites and go-tos because it's just a nice, simple black, kind of Y2K vibe. It has a silver piece right here that says collection. Of course, you guessed it, I got it from the thrift store. Very cheap, y'all know. I'm always at the thrift store. This bag is so spacious because it has like all these pockets right here that where you can put anything. I think this is really a vintage bag because I think right here you can fit like flip phones. So that's one thing that I really, really liked about this bag. So this bag is my last go-to bag. I know I kind of just showed you guys like a color coordination type deal. I really need to stop purchasing black and brown bags, no lie. But this bag is super cute to me, guys, because of this silver chain right here. And then this texture is really shiny, so cute. I normally wear this bag when I go out as well, or sometimes when I have like a plain outfit, I put this bag to kind of like step up the piece. You feel me? I purchased this bag from H&M when I went to, when did I purchase this bag? I don't know. Okay, so those were all of my go-to bags. The next set of bags I'm gonna be showing you, I barely wear. I kind of just hang them up in my closet, in my room. I need to stop doing that though. I need to stop. So this is the next bag that I have. This nice, cute baby blue bag. I believe I got this bag from Forever 21. Yes, I got this bag from Forever 21. Nothing special here, just a regular cute shoulder bag. You know, the material's okay. I think it was like $5. I just get bags that are cute to me and affordable. This next bag is also one of my favorites too. It's this crocodile texture and it's a really small purse. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's probably a little dirty from lip gloss, don't mind that. This is just a cute little normal shoulder bag, really cheap. I think I got it from Shein. Here is the next bag. I have yet to wear this bag. I don't know why. I think I'm just waiting for the right outfit, but yes, here's a close-up. It has these cute flowers on it. That's this brown tone, as well as this bottom leather texture feel right here. This bag is so cute, such a statement piece in my opinion. It is also very, very small. I believe that I got this from a thrift store in Atlanta. When I saw it, I had to grab it. Okay, this is the next bag in my collection. It's more on the larger side. It's very, very spacious, y'all. Look how big it is inside here. One time I went to the club with this purse, y'all, and I put me some extra pair of sandals in here because I was wearing heels and my heels fit in this purse. Literally, I was being cute and comfortable. Like, You really can't beat that. It also has this extra pocket right here, which is very convenient. It has this cute little logo right here that I thought was really cute. It's in a gold color. On the back side, it's just this leather texture. Yeah, I love this bag, y'all, because let me tell you, it be coming in handy, okay? I feel like y'all gonna come for me for all these black and brown purses that I have, but please do not come for me. Here's the next bag that I own, guys. I got this also from the thrift store. What really brought my attention for this bag was just the different colors that came with it, and then this design right here is so cute to me. It's plain on the back, and this is the bag that I used recently. I got lip gloss and stuff in it. This bag kind of came in a little rough condition, as you guys can tell, but you know, it came from the thrift store, so you know, I overlooked it. Here's this next purse. It's this cute orange shoulder bag with some chains on it with butterflies and then this regular chain. This bag is nothing special as well, just a regular orange bag. I actually bought this bag for an occasion, which was my birthday, and I kind of do that sometimes. I'm not gonna lie, I do buy bags for occasions, but I know I ain't the only one. It doesn't have any pockets or anything on the inside, and yeah, plain on the back. It's nothing too special about this bag right here. Here's the next bag in my collection. This bag is actually kind of old, but it kind of reminds me of a camera bag, which I do like because I know one day I am gonna buy me a camera. I got this bag from Forever 21. It's very spacious on the inside. Oh no, I got hair glue on it. Y'all. But yeah, this bag has an extra pocket in the front, and it has this strap that is indeed adjustable. Y'all, I am realizing how many brown bags I have in my collection. I need to do better. But here is my next bag. I bought this bag from the thrift store, and what stood out to me about this bag is the fact that it's supposed to be like a cylinder bag. Oh my goodness, y'all. When I saw this bag, I was like, this is freaking cute. I love this so much. It's different. Here's the next bag in my collection, this cute little blue bag. This bag came from Shein. Even though their bags are kind of a little stiff to me in my opinion, I personally do like this bag. It has this little leather texture in the inside of it. It's not really that spacious, but you know, adds a little pizzazz to your outfit, especially with this gold chain right here with this blue handle. Here is the next bag in my collection, and I know what you're thinking. Damn, bitch, you got another black bag? Yes, I know, but it's the details for me. Do you see it? These threads. This is so cute to me, y'all, especially when you wear like beige or brown. This really stands out to me. There's nothing much to this bag. It's a very wide shoulder bag, but that means it is spacious. I got this bag from the thrift store as well. Okay, so this last bag is the last shoulder bag that I have. It is this cute bag, y'all. I got this from the thrift store as well, and it was very much giving Y2K, Mean Girls vibe, so I had to get it. I'm not gonna lie to you, I do not know if this is real or not. I tried looking for the serial number, but I can't find it. Y'all can see it's really not that spacious, but I really love this cute pink vibe, y'all. It really wasn't expensive. It was like $2.99 at the thrift store, y'all. This is one of my favorite finds. Well, guys, this wraps it up for my handbag collection. I know I showed you guys so many bags. I'm sorry. If you made it to the end of this video, I truly and dearly appreciate you, and I appreciate you for supporting your girl. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up and leave me a nice comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video.